Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're reviewing an exciting all-in-one makeup kit that's perfect for women, girls, and teens alike. This set includes a 2x14 color eyeshadow palette, liquid foundations, eyeliners, lip glosses, eyebrow pencils, a contour stick, and 20 makeup brushes, all packaged in a convenient makeup storage bag. The set is designed for makeup lovers who want a comprehensive collection that covers every aspect of their routine. The eyeshadow palette features highly pigmented, waterproof shades that last all day, offering a mix of matte, shimmer, and glitter finishes. The formula has strong adhesion, which ensures vibrant color all day without fading. As for the application experience, it's incredibly user-friendly. Whether you're a beginner or a more experienced makeup artist, this kit makes it easy to experiment with different looks. The brushes are soft yet sturdy, making blending smooth, while the lip glosses and foundations provide a flawless finish with minimal effort. I personally found the liquid foundations to be versatile and blendable, while the contour stick helped to define features without feeling heavy. Performance-wise, this makeup set holds up well for long hours. The eyeshadow's staying power is impressive, and the foundation offers good coverage without feeling cakey. The brushes included work well for applying and blending products, ensuring that everything stays in place throughout the day. I did notice that the mascara could use a bit more volume, but it still did its job well in defining the lashes. Let's talk about pros and cons. The positives include its wide range of colors, from warm neutrals to bold shades, making it suitable for casual outings, parties, or weddings. The fact that this kit includes everything you need for a full face of makeup is a huge bonus, especially for beginners. However, the mascara could be more voluminous, and the eyeshadow palette might not suit those looking for ultra-pigmented bold shades. When compared to similar all-in-one kits, this product stands out for its variety and price. Many kits in this range offer fewer colors or lower quality brushes, but this set covers both bases well for a reasonable price point. It's a great value for money, especially considering the quality of the brushes and makeup included. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sturdy and the materials used for the makeup are safe and skin-friendly. There are no issues with durability, though the bag itself is not the most luxurious design. User-friendliness is where this kit really shines. The brushes are ergonomically designed, and the makeup products are easy to apply, even for those who are just starting out in makeup. If you're someone who enjoys experimenting with different makeup looks, this kit offers plenty of variety. Customer support is another strong point for this brand, with easy returns and helpful service. If anything goes wrong, you're backed by a straightforward return policy and accessible customer service team. For real-world testing, I wore this makeup for a full day at a wedding, and it performed beautifully. The eyeshadow stayed vibrant, and my skin stayed smooth and matte, even in humid conditions. At this price, you really can't go wrong with this kit. It's an excellent option for those just starting out with makeup or anyone looking to expand their collection without breaking the bank. Overall, I highly recommend this all-in-one makeup kit. It's a great choice for anyone looking to build or refresh their makeup collection with quality, variety, and ease. If you're enjoying this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more great reviews from Beautyistic. Thank you so much for watching. You can find the link to purchase this product in the description box below. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments, and if you've used this kit, I'd love to hear what you think about it.